Funny, you are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about Chapter 5 of Factories Act 1948. In general terms, welfare is nothing but the health, happiness, and fortunes a person or a group. Some people consider it as a statutory procedure or social effort designed to promote physical and mental well-being of the people in need. People working in different sectors and at different levels have different welfare needs. The Factories Act 1948 defines certain provisions regarding this concept. This session we will look at all these provisions. This chapter includes sections from 42 to 49. Sections are mentioned in this table. Section 42, washing facilities. 43, facilities for storing and drying clothes. 44, facilities for sitting. 45, first aid appliances. 46, canteens. 47, sheltered restrooms and lunchrooms. 48, creatures. 49, welfare officers. Let me brief these sections. Section 42, adequate and suitable washing facilities should be provided in factory. Section 43, provisions should be made to providing suitable places for keeping clothing not worn during working hours and for drying of wet clothes. Section 44, facilities for sitting. In every factory, suitable arrangements for sitting should be provided and maintained for all workers obligated to work in standing position in order that may be take advantages of opportunities for rest which may occur in the course of their work. Section 45, first aid appliances. First aid boxes with prescribed contents should be provided and maintained so as to be readily accessible during all working hours at the rate of at least one box for every 150 workmen. In every factory wherein more than 500 workers are employed, there should be provided and maintained an ambulance containing the prescribed equipment and in the charge of such medical and nursing staff. Section 46, canteens. The occupier should provide a canteen for the use of workers in every factory where the number of workmen employed is more than 250. Section 47, shelters, restrooms and lunchrooms. In every factory wherein more than 150 workers are employed, adequate suitable shelters or restrooms and suitable lunchrooms with provision for drinking water where workers can eat meals brought by them should be provided and maintained for use of the workers. Section 48, creches. In every factory where more than 30 women workers are ordinarily employed, there should be provided and maintained suitable room for the use of children under the age of 6. Section 49, welfare officers. In every factory where more than 500 or more workers are employed, the occupier should employ in a factory such number of welfare officers as may be prescribed. This is about Chapter 5. Let me summarize the chapter. Chapter 5 focused on welfare and sections includes from 42 to 49. For the welfare of workers, there must be restrooms, lunchrooms, first aid appliances, shelters and creches to be provided. The facilities for washing to be provided and maintained properly for the purpose of the workers. One first aid box not less than one for every 150 workers. Canteen where there are 250 or more workers. Welfare officer when there are 500 or more workers. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.